guys, I'm your Wish King. From today I will speak only English. So I have a gift for you today. It's a like button, but when it appears only one time. So when it appears, click on the like button down of the video. Oh, it appeared! Fast, click fast before it disappears, please. Oh, it disappeared. I think so. It left a message. Let me see. Oh, it's telling 5 different seeds in Minecraft. Okay, I understood. Today's video is 5 different seeds in Minecraft. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, now we are here the seed where you will spawn right or down. Actually, there's a village. You can see the seed now on the screen. You can pause and write the seed. And if you'll see, this seed has desert and a desert village. And it has the forest also and the jungle too. It has desert village, forest, jungle, and wait, let me show you. And it has some green land also. It has green land, somewhat like foresty type. It's also, I think so. There will be Mesa Plateau right over here. Let me check. Wait. This is the forest. Mesa Plateau should be here right over here. Here there is savannas. There are savannas right over here. See, this is savanna, and it contains huge mountains too. And I don't think so there is Mesa. Yeah, there it is. And there you go, the Mesa Plateau. Don't you think, guys, this is the best seed ever? It has the Mesa Plateau, savanna, jungle, desert village, forest. I think so it's the best seed for starter, and you have everything right over here. So let's get into the seed number 4. This is seed number 5. Let's get into the seed number 4. Okay, now we are in the seed number 4. And you can see there's the mine. Oh, cool this mine is. See, it has semicircular shape. Actually, this mine have diamonds. This seed is from biggest mines. There will be diamonds. You can fall like this when you are in survival also. Actually, in water you should fall. Oh no, I'm getting up. Oh, this lava is so deep. I cannot get up. Help me. Okay, I came out. How, I don't know. But I was cupping up, and I came out. And in this seed, you can find diamonds. See, you can see diamonds and over. See, you can directly from up, you can drop in the water. Keep some water in here, or water bucket, or else keep in a block and mine diamonds and go back again. See, from this water, that waterfall is from starting. See, as you can see all. See, still go to this mine after, keep some blocks. That's all. This seed not only contains diamonds, it contains lapis on the outside and redstone too. So you can see here. Oh, I like that redstone. Okay, let's see what more it has. See, there's more diamonds right over here. See, for 1, 2, 3, 4,
Five diamonds. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Overall 13 diamonds in this seed. For getting diamonds and a perfect start, I think so this seed would be best for that. And it has mushroom trees, so I can get any type of wood also here. So let's get into the seed number 3. Guys, now it will be some laggy at the starting, but after it will somewhat okay, it will become. Now this is the seed number 3. Now we can see that we can find water. It's a ocean actually. Here we go some further or some deeper, we can find actually ocean monuments and also ice also. See here. Wait, let me see. Where is the ice? If I got everything. Ice. Okay. First, I got mushroom island now. So this seed contains the land and the mushroom island. It contains the ocean too. So now we can find ice right over here. Actually, you can see that mushroom island. It is really a mushroom island. Now we can see that we have mushroom cows. I think so we'll get the ocean monument here. Anyway, just finding. Got it. See, there will be ocean monument right over here. See, you can see it's like a wicked shape. See, there you go. From the mushroom island, it will be like here. So this seed contains the mushroom island and the ocean monument. So now, right now, we'll go to seed number 2. But actually I don't have seed number 2. Means first I have, but now it's gone. Very sorry. But I will show the first seed. Top 1 seed. So let's go to the top 1 seed. Let's go to seed number 1. Okay guys. Now we are in the seed number 1. When you get into this seed, you'll be spawned in a village. Oh no, I'm in survival. What great. I should go to creative right now. Okay. Creative. Yeah. Okay. Now you can see right over here. This is a village. This is a village side of the ocean. Actually it's a coastal village. This should actually contain. Yes, here. This village is a huge village somewhat, and I think so it contains the end portal. Anyway, I think so. Wait, let me jump. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh no. What a damage. Yeah. See, these bricks. You can easily say that there is the end portal right over here. But first I think so. If you see from the ocean right over here, there would be end portal exposed. See there. And there will be water zombies also guarding it. You can see it's exposed to outside. This end portal from there, if you go, it is exposed from outside. You can enter it from here also. See, there's the end portal. I can go inside and show you all. Hey, no water entrance, no. But let it be. Oh, it's lagging. Why? Here is the end portal, and we'll find this creatures right over here, and there will be a spawner to this waste creatures. Okay. Now let's get to the village. Okay, this actually, I think so, this is a all-rounder. Means it has a village, it has the end portal too. Exposed to outside, it's special when creepers inside of water. Hey villager, why you seeing me? There will be a blacksmith right over here, which will have diamonds. But I don't think so. It has right now, right over now. Right now, it doesn't have. But it will have a ocean monument compulsory. Let's find it. I think so. It should be anywhere right over here only. There will be a side one more village actually. But now I think so. This is Bedrock edition. So it's joined everything, and that's all full blah blah blah. See that creeper? Can you see that floating loosely like anything? There will be ocean monument also. Try to find it, okay? You can try your best to that. But actually it's a good thing that this village have the end portal exposed to outside, and it's a huge village too. It's literally not a all-rounder. If it has ocean monument, it becomes all-rounder. It is having also, but it's not showing just. So if you start from here, it would become a good start because you will get the end portal, you get a village, so you can loot everything. And this village is so much big that farmers will be ever, and you can find sea turtles because this is ocean. So this is the video. Make sure you like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.